Well, the Parkway School Board voted tonight to lift its mask mandate starting next month. But several local school districts are defying the Missouri Attorney General's order to drop such mandates.
Those districts claim its school boards have the authority to enforce mask wearing. Our Casey Nolan reports a local Republican prosecutor is now siding with the schools. Case?
Yeah, this is a list of some of the local districts, hopefully coming, that show that they are still requiring masks in schools despite threats from the Attorney General Eric Schmidt, and there are others with partial mandates for younger kids. A couple even in St. Charles County, where the county's top prosecutor says Schmidt's threats have no bite.
If I am around people without masks, Parkway cannot guarantee my safety as a student.
There is zero reason to wait another month to unmask us.
The mask debate came to the Parkway District Wednesday night, but beyond whether schools should continue requiring masks, some are arguing they legally can't after the Attorney General sent letters to every district in the state last week demanding they drop their mask mandates.
School districts have never been delegated the authority to move forward with something like mask mandates.
Then the Attorney General told Five on Your Side a recent court ruling that invalidated mask orders by health departments also applies to school districts. But across the St. Louis region, districts tell Five on Your Side their attorneys see it differently. And SLU law professor John Ammon agrees.
The laws of Missouri give school districts the authority to do a lot of things related to the health of children.
Ammon says school boards can require masks just like they already require certain vaccines and have the authority to send sick kids home.
Are we telling school nurses that if little Johnny, the third grader, has 103 fever and is vomiting, that the school nurse can't send him home? That can't be the law.
And then there is St. Charles County prosecutor, Republican Tim Lomar. Last week, when a county council member reached out to ask who could enforce the Attorney General's order that schools drop their mask mandates, Lomar responded, "I'm going to give you my honest opinion, politics aside. The AG has no authority over local school boards," he said. "I have no authority to enforce any sort of directive or cease and desist letter from the AG because it's not a criminal law." The AG spokesman tells Five on Your Side, quote, "This is not an issue for local prosecutors. As the state's chief legal officer, we have the authority to enforce the law, and that's exactly what we're doing."
Which means this will likely end up in court with taxpayer-funded school board attorneys squaring off against taxpayer-funded attorneys for the Attorney General's office, says the SLU law professor. As for Parkway, as we said, late tonight, the district voted to drop its mask mandates 2 weeks after winter break and after the AG's supposed deadline. Ann?
Casey, thank you.